Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the control settings on the Middle-earth Shadow of Mordor game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Middle-earth Shadow of Mordor game on your device. And once you open it up, from the main menu, go ahead and click on Options. Now within the Options page, click on Keyboard and Mouse, which will now show you the various different actions that have been assigned to each key. You can just click on any option and you will be asked to press a key to assign this action. Tap on any key that you want to set this action to, and now your keys will be defined right away. You can do this with all of the parameters, and you can also switch between action, combat, and menu. Once you are done, you can click on the back button and tap on yes to apply your changes. You can also click on controller mapping in order to map the controller buttons if you are playing with a joystick. Once you have redefined your controls, you can go back and resume your game. And now your control settings have been applied to your game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the control settings on the Middle-earth Shadow of Mordor game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.